Good morning, dear children. Hope you all are fine and safe. Welcome you all to our today's mathematics class. Hope you all are ready. Dear children, today let us continue with the same chapter, chapter 5, Understanding Elementary Shapes. Dear children, in today's session, let us study about three-dimensional shapes or 3D shapes. You already know that cube, cuboid, sphere, cone, cylinder, which are solid shapes, are called as three-dimensional shapes. Now let us study what are the faces, edges and vertices in these 3D shapes. Look at the following figure. Let us first see what is a face. The flat surface of this figure of the 3D shape is called as the face. That is each side of the cube. Here in this figure we are taking the example of a cube. Therefore we say that each side of a cube is a flat surface, and this flat surface is called as a face. It's called as flat face or simply a face. And two faces meet at a line segment, and that line segment is called as edge. And three edges meet at a point called a vertex or a corner. So by this we understand that the flat surface of any 3D shape is called as a face. When two faces meet at a line segment, that line segment is called as edge, and where three edges meet, the meeting point is called as vertex or corner. I hope you all understood what are faces, edges and vertices of a 3D shape. Dear children, now let us study how many faces, edges and vertices a cube has. A cube has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. If you take a cube, for example, if you take a dice and if you count the faces, you will get 6 faces. Similarly, if you count the corners or vertices, you will get 8 vertices and you will get 12 edges. Now let us see how many faces, edges and vertices a cuboid has. A cuboid has 6 faces, 8 corners and 12 edges, just like a cube. Dear children, now let us see how many faces, edges and vertices a sphere has. A sphere has 1 face, 0 corners and 0 edges. Since sphere does not have any edges, so it does not have any vertices. Therefore, sphere has only 1 face. Dear children, let us see how many faces, edges and vertices does a triangular pyramid has. A triangular pyramid has 5 faces, 5 corners and 8 edges. Now let us see how many faces, edges and vertices does a square pyramid has. A square pyramid has 5 faces, 8 edges and 5 vertices. Square base pyramid is a pyramid whose base is in square shape. Dear children, let us see how many faces, edges and vertices does a rectangular prism has. A rectangular prism has 5 faces, 9 edges and 6 vertices. Let us see how many faces, edges and vertices does a cone has. We all know that a cone has 2 faces, 1 corner and 1 edge. Now let us see how many faces, edges and vertices a cylinder has. A cylinder has 3 faces, 0 corners or 0 vertices and 2 edges. That's all for today, children. Hope you all understood today's session. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye.